The AX-101B is a compact digital multimeter that can measure AC and DC voltages and resistance. The meter comes with a user manual and test leads. The meter has 3.5-digit LCD display with backlit and manual range. The meter has hold function and can perform diode and continuity test. Moreover, its square wave output function can be used to simple source to repair equipment. The meter is powered by a single 9-volt battery and can be put on a stand for higher convenience.